In this video, you're gonna learn about the basic preparation before installing an OS. I am Salvador Chelsea J of BSIT 2AG2. And this video was edited by Kapalungan Clara. When you are installing an OS, you need some type of boot media. One type is very common. The USB must be bootable and the computer you are using has to be able to boot for the computer interface. If you're able to do those two things, you can plug into any available USB interface, start your computer, and start installing your operating system directly from USB. Another common operating system installation media is a CD-ROM or DVD-ROM. These drives are getting less and less popular, and so we are saying more of a move towards USB instead of the CD or DVD. And the other way to install operating system is to have a separate partition on the same physical drive. We have a one partition to move to run the installation process, and that would install the operating system into a separate partition on the same drive. When we are installing a new operating system, it erases everything on the main drive. Therefore, before proceeding, it is advised to create a full backup of your device, or at least backup of your important files. Although you start from a scratch with a fresh copy of your operating system, you should create a temporary full backup of your current installation in case something goes wrong and you need to revert the settings or recover the files. So now we are going to proceed in BIOS where the OS installation starts. Press Windows key, then click Settings. Click the Update and Security. As you can see on my screen, it's just loading, too slow. Then click the Recovery. Press the Restart Now in Advanced Startup. This process gonna take me in the BIOS of my laptop. Therefore, we have so many options to use, like pressing F2 or delete after you restart your PC. Depends on what you are using. I just hate tapping on my keyboard after restarting, so I did this. The laptop says please wait, so just wait. Click the Troubleshoot. Advanced option. UEFI firmware settings. Restart. Then boom, here is my BIOS. Go to advanced settings or boot settings. You can also try basic settings or just find the boot priority or setting of your motherboard. Go to boot option number 1. Always choose the number 1, no more number 2. You should always pick number 1 when you are going to reformat or install a new operating system. So why are you choosing boot number 1 instead of your number 2, 3, or 4, etc.? Well, it means boot number 1 will be the prioritize of your computer. Basically, the first to read its data because it's the number 1. So to edit the boot number 1, you need to find the installer of your operating system. If you are using CD, DVD, bootable flash drive, just locate it. In this case, I will not be able to show you how it was done properly because I don't have the bootable USB to insert. So instead, I will show you the VirtualBox. VirtualBox allows user and administrator to easily run multiple guest operating system on a single host. So let's search VirtualBox download. Just click this. I'm currently using Windows, so I'm gonna download the Windows host. The VirtualBox is already downloaded. I'm gonna click this to start. Welcome to the Oracle VM. I'm gonna press the next. This is the location where your VirtualBox gonna be installed. So if you don't have a good reason to change it back, then go ahead and then click next. Leave everything as a default. Then click next. Yes. Click install, which is going to start the process of the installing of your VirtualBox on your Windows operating system. In between, you can see this kind of messages, just asking you to install some device-related software, so just click on install. It says the installation is complete. In this box, check Don't X, then click Finish. So this is how the VirtualBox looks like. You can create any virtual machine by clicking this new button here. And you can see the different type of virtual machine you can create. For example, Windows, Linux, Solaris, BSD, IBM, macOS, and other. So let's say I want to install Ubuntu. I will just type Ubuntu here. You can choose what type of Ubuntu you want to install. So that's it. I'm gonna cut it. Just watch the installation process of Windows and Linux created by my beautiful classmate. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope I help you with your problem. Thank you and have a good life.